Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. It's your girl, Dovey, and today we're diving into something a little mysterious, a little bold, and definitely powerful dark seduction tricks to make him chase you. Now, before we start, remember, this isn't about manipulation. It's about energy, mystery, confidence, and attraction. It's about being so magnetic that he can't help but be drawn to you without you even lifting a finger. So if you're ready to tap into that irresistible side of you and make him do the chasing, let's begin. 1. Don't give him all your attention. Want to be unforgettable? Don't be available all the time. Let him wonder where you are, what you're doing, and who's taking your attention. When you always reply instantly, always say yes to plans, and always check in, you're making yourself too easy to access. And mystery fades when everything's out in the open. Instead, delay replies sometimes, be busy living your best life, and show him he's not the center of your universe. Men chase when they feel your presence isn't guaranteed, so the less he knows, the more he thinks. And trust me, thinking about you is the first step to chasing you. 2. Use eye contact like a weapon. This is such a powerful seduction tool. Long, confident, and playful eye contact. When you look at him and then look away with a small smile, it creates this electric tension. Like you're letting him in, just a little, but then pulling back. That subtle tease makes him want more. You don't need to say anything flirty. Just your gaze alone, with the right timing, can send shivers down his spine. Own your power with your eyes. Locking eyes and then breaking it slowly makes him feel like he just saw a secret side of you, and now he needs to explore more. 3. Speak soft, but with control. There's something undeniably sexy about a girl who speaks softly yet confidently. It pulls people in. You don't need to raise your voice or talk a lot. Speak slowly, keep your tone a little lower, and make your words feel intentional. Say less, but say it in a way that feels personal. Compliment him in a way that lingers. Tease him gently, but never beg for his attention. Control the mood with your words. The quieter you speak, the more he has to lean in. And that's exactly what we want. 4. Be emotionally unavailable. Occasionally. Here's the trick. Don't always give him emotional access to you. Sometimes pull back a bit. Be the fun, flirty girl one day, and slightly distant the next. This isn't to confuse him. It's to keep the emotional tension high. If he thinks he's got you all figured out, the chase ends. But when you're unpredictable, he starts thinking about what he did wrong, what he can do to win you over again, and how to get back in your good graces. That push-pull dynamic? It's addicting, and it makes him want you even more. 5. Make him feel like he's winning, sometimes. This is where dark feminine energy becomes playful. Every now and then, give him a little win, a compliment, a soft touch, a flirtatious comment, something that says you're getting closer. But don't give him the whole prize. Just enough to keep his hopes up. This mix of reward and challenge triggers the part of his brain that needs to win. He'll keep coming back, chasing more of that feeling. The goal is to make him feel like you're within reach, but not quite his yet. 6. Seduce with silence. Silence is powerful. Not every moment needs to be filled with words. When you're together, sometimes just sit in the silence, confidently. Look at him. Smirk. Let him feel your presence without over-explaining yourself. When he says something flirty, pause before replying. Hold eye contact, raise an eyebrow, and let him sweat a little. That silence builds tension, and in that moment, he'll feel the pull. Silence makes you feel mysterious, unpredictable, and hard to read. And guys love a mystery. 7. Give off the other men want me vibe. No, you don't need to actually talk about other men. Just let him see that you're desired, that other people notice you, laugh with you, flirt with you, even subtly. When he sees you glowing and others being drawn to your energy, he'll feel the need to compete for you. Men naturally want what others admire, so let your aura show that you're not just his option, you're everyone's dream. But make it clear he is the one who has to prove he deserves your attention. That little hint of jealousy, that's what makes him work harder. 8. Walk away when you're on top. The most seductive thing a woman can do? Leave when the energy is still high. Don't overstay your welcome. If you're texting and the convo's flirty, end it with something cheeky and log off. If you're together and it's fun, leave him wanting more. This leaves him with that craving, that unfinished feeling. He'll keep thinking about what you might have said next, what could have happened if you stayed longer. And the next time? That he'll chase harder, just to get that high again. Dark seduction isn't about games. It's about power. It's about knowing your worth and using subtle cues to invite someone into your world without ever chasing them. You're not begging. You're not proving. You're allowing them the privilege of getting to know you, and only if they earn it. So go out there, turn that mystery on, and let him do the chasing. Because girl, you are the prize. If you enjoyed this spicy little guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your favorite girls. Let me know in the comments which trick you're trying first. I'll see you in the next one, my beautiful people.